Hi friends, welcome to Suvi Education. In this video, we are going to see the important current affairs questions that has been asked in all competitive exams in the previous year. We can move on to the questions. So these are the most important general awareness questions. Our first question is, who has become the first girl student to win President of Indian Prize? So, who has become the first girl student to win President of India Prize? Answer is Kavita Gopal. So Kavita Gopal, she is the first girl student of IIT Madras. She is the first girl student of IIT Madras to be honored with the award by the president. Okay. And now at present she is currently working as software engineer with Google India. And this is about Kavita Gopal. And our second question, who was awarded the G.N. Ramachandran Gold Medal by President Ramnath Kovind? Okay, we all know our president is Ramnath Kovind, right? And who was awarded the G.N. Ramachandran Gold Medal? So the answer is Professor Amitabh Chattopadhyay, and he is the membrane biologist and he is an outstanding scientist at Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Okay, he is a scientist at Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Molecular Biology. And the third question, how many countries including India have signed an agreement to stop spread of online fake news? And the question is, how many countries including India have been signed for the agreement? So the answer is option B, 20 countries. Clear? And fourth one, which state topped the school education quality index released by NITI Aayog? Okay, that is Niti Aayog. Which state topped the school education? And the answer is Kerala. Okay. Niti Aayog is a national institution for transforming India. Clear? Niti Aayog. This is National Institution for transforming India. This is the full form. Clear? That is NIDI, National Institution for Transforming India, and this was established in the year 2015 for replacing Planning Commission. Clear? So, which state has topped? That is Kerala. When is International Coffee Day celebrated? International Coffee Day is celebrated as at October 1st. Okay, at October 1st is celebrated as International Coffee Day. Our sixth question, what is the strike range of land attack version of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile? And the answer is 290 km. What is BrahMos supersonic cruise missile? BrahMos. It is a medium range ramjet. Okay, it is a medium range ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from like submarines, ships, aircraft or land. Okay, it is a ramjet, that is ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarines, ships, aircraft or land. It is the fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world. Clear? In the world itself, it is the fastest supersonic cruise missile and it is 290 km. So next question, which birth anniversary of father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi is being celebrated on October 2, 2019? The question is clear? Which birth anniversary of our father Mahatma Gandhi, nation Mahatma Gandhi, is being celebrated on 2nd October 2019? It is 150th anniversary. Okay, 150th birth anniversary. And next one, which fast fashion retailer has filed for bankruptcy? So which fast fashion retailer has filed for bankruptcy? It is Forever 21. Okay, Forever 21. Which Indian wrestler has become world number 1 in the 86 kg category? It is the Deepak Punia. And that is Deepak Punia. He is the Indian freestyle wrestler. Okay, he's an Indian freestyle wrestler who won silver medal. He won silver medal at the year 2019. Okay, in the world championship in the category of 86 kg. Okay, the category of 86 kg. He won silver medal in the year 2019. Clear? And who was taken over as the new IAF chief? That is Air Marshal RKS Bhaduria. Clear? Air Marshal RKS Bhaduria, who has taken over the new IAF chief. Which Indian classical musician has become honored with the planet named after him? Clear? The question is clear? Which Indian classical musician has been honored with a planet named after him? That is Pandit Jasraj. Okay, Pandit Jasraj. Which American sprinter won the gold medal in the World Athletics Championship in the year 2019 by completing 100 meters in 9.76 seconds? That is Christian Coleman. Okay, he's an American sprinter who won gold medal in the year 2019, that is World Athletics Championship. Okay, for 100 meters in 9.76 seconds. That is Christian Coleman. Clear? Next question. Which commission has sought a response from the sender and states on their procedures involving sexual harassment cases? Okay, the answer is NHRC. NHRC means National Human Rights Commission. National Human Rights Commission of India. Clear? This is NHRC. Which commission has sought response from the sender and states on their procedures involving sexual harassment cases? That is NHRC. We all know that is Human Rights Commission for the sexual harassment cases for the sender and states. Clear? And next one. Which city hosted the Global Migration Film Festival? Which city hosted the Global Migration Film Festival? That is Dhaka. Okay. And next one. The day December 3rd, 2019 marks the 35th year of which major Indian tragedy? That is Bhopal gas tragedy. Okay. The day December 3rd, 2019 marks the 35th year of which major Indian tragedy? That is Bhopal gas tragedy. Which global alliance marked its 70th year in 2019? Which global alliance marked its 70th year in 2019? That is NATO. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Okay, that is North North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Clear? Which global alliance marked? That is NATO. When is World Disability Day observed every year? That is 3rd of December for World Disability Day. Who among the following was honored with the 2019 Ballon d'Or award? That is Lionel Messi. Who among the following was honored with the 2019 Ballon d'Or award? That is Lionel Messi. Who's the writer of book Early Indians? That is the story of our ancestors and where we come from. Who recently won the Shakti Bhatt First Book Prize? That is Tony Joseph. Okay. Who's the writer of the book Early Indians? That is Tony Joseph. He has recently won the Shakti Bhatt First Book Prize. Clear? Who has been appointed as the 24th Controller General of Accounts? Who was appointed as the 24th Controller General of Accounts? That is Pachaleka Dutta. Pachaleka Dutta. Okay. When was intensified mission Intradhanush launched? That's on the year 2017. Okay. Intensified mission Intradhanush launched. That was in the year 2017. Which country took over the G20 presidency in 2019 from Japan? So which country took over the G20 presidency in 2019 from Japan? That is Saudi Arabia. Okay, Saudi Arabia. When is International Day for Abolition of Slavery observed? So when is the International Day for Abolition of Slavery? That is on 2nd December. Okay, on December 2nd. Next one. Who among the following won the 55th Jnanpith Award in 2019? That is Akitam. Okay, Akitam. Who among the following won the 55th Jnanpith Award in 2019? That is Akitam. When is World AIDS Day observed? We everyone know that is December 1st. Okay, World AIDS Day, that is December 1st. Thank you friends for watching my channel. Please do subscribe for new videos.